We have a passion for high-quality, unique products that have a universal worldwide appeal. Our brand new JK pushes the boundaries of manufacturing excellence that is yet to be seen in woodworking. When developing products, we start out with an idea or inspiration. Whether it's a meeting or casual conversation, we create a concept. Our development team then start to create drawings and images, which are then used to create a computer-aided design, or CAD for short. The CAD is then used to start the creation of our prototype. The 3D printer produces a real version of the product, which we can use to analyze and modify if necessary. Using the latest CNC machinery, we offer effective, innovative manufacturing to produce in excess of 900 products. By developing, innovating and manufacturing products right here in Axminster, we are market leaders in our field. We are proud to have our name on innovative lines which are of the highest quality.